Well, hello Bitcoiners and gold bugs. This is Danny Masters from CoinShares, and I'm going to give you a run through today on how you can take your Bitcoin or other digital assets and convert into delivered physical precious metals. The intermediate step here is, of course, DGLD, our digital gold token, and the page you're looking at here is the blockchain.com exchange. There's the DGLD USD pair. Quite a tight bid-offer spread, decent liquidity up and down the deck, and then here is DGLD BTC. Now bear in mind, if you're trading the DGLD USD pair, that will not work with Tether. You'll have to convert Tether into USD using the USDT pair also on blockchain.com. But I went ahead a little earlier and I bought some DGLD for Bitcoin. Here's the transaction down here. I bought 12 DGLD at a fill price of 0.01599 Bitcoin, and I went ahead and I sent them across to one of the addresses in my Ocean wallet, the DGLD Ocean Fork wallet. That wallet, I'll show you where to find that in a second, but bear in mind that when you make a withdrawal from blockchain.com, you do need to send it to an ID'd wallet. Now, here's how you go about doing that. You can apply for a DGLD wallet here. That will do some basic identity check, and the executable will be downloaded from the GitHub on this link here. Looking then at the wallet I sent those DGLD to earlier, here you'll see the transaction I did, and you'll notice it was incrementing a wallet that already had a little bit of DGLD on it here for a sum total now of 17.74. We can also take a little look here at the asset itself. That's the transaction ID. Will give you the block height and header and so on. Here under the asset ID itself, you can actually see that this particular gold comes from bar number 035703, minted in 2019 by PAMP. And this was, I believe, the transaction in which we went ahead and made those transmissions of DGLD. So that's the wallet, sorry, the block explorer. Now let's go to the wallet, and you'll see that there's various tabs up here. If you can't see these tabs, they're exposed by hitting the view button. But this is the best summary, the addresses summary, which shows me that I have 17 DGLD here and various balances on some other small balances on other wallets. You can see the individual inputs that are unspent, and they're all summed there in respect of the individual wallets. Now this is interesting because I've already ID'd a wallet with the physical gold and platinum and silver seller, Gold Avenue, and having already ID'd a wallet, that is the only wallet I can send from. And I happen to know that this is the wallet, GLX, NVJL, etc., or where that came from. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to move this balance into that wallet, because no other wallet will link with Gold Avenue automatically unless it is the one that I previously linked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spend from this address. Let's go to coins. There's a larger balance, so let me spend that one, and I'm going to pay that to the wallet I know is already linked up with Gold Avenue. So let's copy that wallet, and here we can. So we're going to the wallet we know is already ID'd with Gold Avenue, from the wallet where we know there's 13 DGLD. Let's send them all over there just for good order's sake, and let's send that. So that transaction payment has been sent, and that will appear probably as an unconfirmed transaction for a brief period of time until that's then confirmed. So in the meantime, we can go over to Gold Avenue. In Gold Avenue, I will log in my basket, some silver. I'm going to buy 2 kilograms of 99.99 PAMP Swiss silver. I've selected DGLD as my currency. I'm going to allow Gold Avenue to put my silver in insured storage, get up to 10 kilograms for free. I could have it shipped, express as a standard to myself if I wanted to do. I'm going to proceed to checkout. This is the wallet that I've already verified with DGLD. I could edit this address, put in another one of my wallet addresses, but it would not verify, and that's because I've already verified this one. So let's now proceed to order review. Check all the details. Been confirmed that the Gold Avenue DGLD address will be revealed. You then go to your Ocean wallet, to the Coins tab, right click, spend from the address which you verified with Gold Avenue, and make that transaction, sign that transaction in the Ocean wallet. You'll see the payment pending in the transaction history, and after a short period of time that will be confirmed, and your precious metals will be transferred to your insured vault. Hope you found this interesting. Go buy some precious metals. Thank you.